In the ever evolving landscape of smartphone technology, the 2024 iPhone SE4 is creating a buzz that's hard to ignore. Far from being just another incremental update, this latest entry in Apple's lineup promises a series of transformative changes that could redefine what we expect from compact smartphones. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore every rumor, speculation, and exciting possibility surrounding the iPhone SE4. Buckle up as we dive into what could be Apple's most groundbreaking compact device yet. Gone are the days of bulky bezels and outdated physical home buttons. The iPhone SE4 is expected to showcase a sleek edge to edge design that mirrors the sophistication of Apple's flagship models. Imagine a device that not only fits comfortably in your hand, but also delivers a truly cinematic viewing experience. The iPhone SE4's rumored OLED display is one of its most anticipated features. This technology promises vibrant, true to life colors and deep, inky blacks that will make your favorite movies and TV shows come to life. One of the most intriguing rumors is that the iconic Apple logo on the back of the iPhone SE4 might house cutting edge camera technology. This potential innovation could elevate the SE4's photography capabilities to rival those of the highest end smartphones on the market. Under the hood, the iPhone SE4 is expected to feature significant performance upgrades. The SE4 could be equipped with Apple's latest chipset, offering enhanced processing capabilities that make multitasking seamless and gaming experiences more immersive. Whether you're a power user or someone who simply enjoys smooth and responsive performance, the iPhone SE4 is set to deliver on all fronts. As we approach the official unveiling of the iPhone SE4, the anticipation continues to build. Tech enthusiasts and Apple fans worldwide are eagerly awaiting more details about this revolutionary device. With its rumored design, cutting-edge camera capabilities, sustainable approach, and high performance, the iPhone SE4 is set to capture the hearts and minds of users everywhere. In summary, the 2024 iPhone SE4 is shaping up to be a game changer in the smartphone world. With its sleek design, advanced camera features, commitment to sustainability, and impressive performance, it's clear that Apple is aiming to set new standards for compact devices. As we eagerly await its official release, one thing is certain. The iPhone SE4 is poised to redefine our expectations of what a small but powerful smartphone can achieve.